Back to the Michelin number 76 BBQ wing. One for $1.80, and then the rice is $1. It's a Sanren cold and hot dessert right here. You can choose from Chinten, mango sago, raw jelly. The price for $3.50 onwards up to $5. There's your panko pudding with the pudding, green chendol, eye jelly, and some kind of drinks there. Longan drink, red bean soup, bubur terigu, bubur hitam, and they sell coconut and sugar cane right here too. Greetings from Singapore. I'm going to the Newton Food Center from the Newton MRT exit B. Today is Sunday and the time is 8:30 p.m. Let's go. Now the Newton Food Center is 350 meters, 350 meters from the Newton MRT. So I guess it takes about 5 to 8 minutes walk on a slow walk. Alright, I can see the Newton Food Circus opposite from where I'm walking. I just reached the Newton Hawker Center. Wow. Bubble tea, the durian ice kacang. And guess what? There are so many stores inside. What we see here is just outside. And here there's a minced meat noodle, the bak chor mee, for like $7 or $5 for a small portion, and lots of items. The first impression I get now is it's really big area compared to other hawker center. Just now was at the Lao Basa. Here is more airy, and here there are more variety of food, like the BBQ, chicken wings, satay oda, and there's a lot of choices and competitors selling almost the same thing on one stretch, and lots of foreigners. I think around here is 80% are foreigners. PKR and Newton yummy chicken wing, one for $1.70, and minimum order is 3 pieces. We're getting the bites now. There's a hang homemade carrot cake with prawn oyster, $8, $10 and $12, and the oyster is $10 and $12. You see the uncle cooking right now. Number 27 Alliance Seafood. The signboard look attractive. It's a Newton old signboard 25 prawn noodles. There's BBQ satay prawn. It feels like I'm transported to another world now, right now, with so many people. It's like all focused here and just eating and drinking. About at least 1,000, not kidding. This place is very central located, so you see lots of foreigners here. And unfortunately, the Michelin chicken wing, 76. And then there's a seaweed, grilled seaweed in the drink stall here. And the fish ball and meatball. There's a lot of stores selling chicken wings, chicken, pork, mutton. It's a nice satay. Now it seems like most of the stores sells satay and chicken wing, but there's a store, special store right here, the fried carrot cake. For $5, you get a wet carrot cake, the bread one as well, and then the Hokkien mee also, and the omelette. Yeah, Indian food as well, vegetarian. Wow, more satay and chicken wing. Subscribe if you enjoyed the video so far and give a like so you're more able to find the video. Thanks very much. Greetings from Singapore. I'm now at the Newton Hawker Center doing a short video on the food center here. In front is a yummy chicken wing, one for $1.70. And there are lots of stores, so let's explore. On a first impression, it's quite clean and airy. And there's so many stores. You are surrounded by the whole hawker center, left, right, about 100 stores here. And the customers, they have like, normally I think they are from foreigners. 80% are foreigners right here. Today is a Sunday and the time is about 9 p.m. right now. There's even the Indian food. All the highlights will be number 51, Newton fried carrot cake, Hokkien mee, and oyster omelette. If you like Thai food, you can come here, authentic Thai food. And the pad Thai, Thai style fried rice, and lots of items. I think I saw some kind of bao at the corner. There's a siomai, dumplings, and they sell coconut and sugarcane right here too. Back to the Michelin number 76 BBQ wing, one for $1.80, and then the rice is $1. But there's one question in my mind: if the weather is not good and start to rain, there's no shelter, right? So there'll be limited tables because the diners will be forced to move inside, and then there'll be like over demand of the seats, but there's over demand for the seats as well. It's a bak chor mee, minced meat noodles right here. $5, $6, $7. It's a Sanren cold and hot dessert right here. You can choose from Chinken, mango sago, raw jelly. The price for $3.50 onwards up to $5. There's your panko pudding with the pudding, green chendol, eye jelly, and some kind of drinks there. Longan drink, red bean soup, bubur terigu, bubur hitam. And guess what? The ATM are convenient located here, so in case you need cash to pay the hawkers, because most of them still prefer cash, although you can pay by the QR code. Now if you're lost your way, right, to get the MRT, you just look for the Darling Beer Garden number 55, and then from there go out and then get the overhead bridge. A final look of this Newton Hawker Center. Look at that. So many foreigners, so much food, and this place is open until maybe midnight.